Hey folks, today is August 13th. It's currently about 8:54 in the morning. Rightline Trading has a new trading software that they've come out with, and I'd like to do some testing with it here. I've already gotten a free trial to their trade room. As you can see here, you guys can get the exact same thing. Just click on get a free trial to our live trading room. You can also see the live trade room results. You can see the auto trader results, and I've never even heard of their options service, so I might look into that a little bit later as well. But for right now, we are already in the trading room. Have everything muted. And I've pulled up a few of the charts here. Alright, here's the ES. Let me get this set up properly. Alright. And we should also have the CL. That didn't work out right. Let's try this again. Alright, there we go. Make this a little bit longer. And clean that up some. There it is. Alright, so we have both of our charts here. And I believe they have one more. Let me double check real quick. Alright, so they also have the ZB. So I need to pull that up. Alright, ZB September contract. Alright, so I'm not getting any data from that. Let me pause the video and I'll fix that real quick and come right back. Alright, let's try this again. I think the fix I tried here should have fixed it, but we'll see. Alright, ZB 915. Let's see what they have ZB set to. Alright, so ZB is set to a 3 range. Alright, hopefully this will work this time. There it is. Now we can go ahead and load the template. I'll show you guys what they give you in a moment as well. Alright, let's see here. ZB 3 range. Takes a little bit of time for it to load up. Give it a couple minutes here, well, seconds, and there it is. Alright, so we have our ZB chart, our CL chart, and our ES chart. Alright, let me see if I can pull up the training manuals and everything that like that comes with it, so I can show you guys. Be back in one moment. Alright guys, this is the PDF that comes with the software. And basically this is the training. They're going to tell you about the different setups that they take here. Trade setup 1, C candle retracement. And the good thing about this software is everything is printed on the charts. Like this A, B, and C. I'll show you that right now actually. As you can see here, A, B, C, A, B, C. So this stuff does actually print, so you don't have to do anything yourself. Alright, so basically it looks like that trade is when the market comes back to this line here on a C, and they give you the requirements right here as well. So a momentum entry retracement, here's that. Alright, trade setup number 2. This is basically just a short trade. Strategy entry retracement. And all of these will be entering above or below the close of the candle. Alright, let's see what this one is. Power entry retracement. Looks like this one happens when you get a red arrow, or I'm assuming a green arrow. Alright, right line, trend line is red. Trend line is red. 50-day SMA is red. No, this is the 50-day SMA, I'm guessing. And that's the trend line, I'm guessing. Alright, background bias indicator red, which is what we can see back here. Alright, and then enter one tick below. Close of the candle with power entry signal. Here's the power entry signal. And so there would have been our entry. Same thing here. Would have been our entry. Alright, so that's kind of the basic setups here. And of course they have their phone number on the website that you guys can call if you have any questions. But everything looks pretty self-explanatory. And also in the trading room, he tells you exactly when to take trades, where he's taking trades, I should say. And I'll let you guys see that here in a second. These are their ATM setups, which I'm about to look at doing right now. This is for the 6E, but we're going to focus on the ES, the ZB, and the CL. So let's do that real quick. And I'll turn the volume on in the room right now so you can hear what's going on.
Far for a continuation short.
Looks like they had a few trades here. And remember, this is just an introductory video to the service, so even if I don't take trades today, it's just giving you an idea of how everything is going to be working. Alright, let's set up the ZB. ATM strategy. Let's see what we're looking at here. That's the ES, that's the ES, CL, CL, and ZB. Here it is. Alright, so with 4 contracts, we're going to be looking at a 5-tick initial stop. 2 contracts are closed at 3 ticks. 1 contract is closed at 4 ticks, second target. 1 contract is closed at 10 ticks. Then of course they give you another option here if you only want to trade with 2 contracts. 5-tick initial stop. 1 contract is closed at 3, and the second contract is going to be closed at the user's discretion. Alright, so we'll go with the 4 contract here to test things out. Alright, so we got 4, 5-tick initial stop,
And let's see if we get a retracement on crude right to the point of control, and then a continuation short.
Alright, and it looks like it's 2 contracts are closed at 3 ticks in profit. Then this one's closed at 4 ticks in profit. And this one's closed at 10 ticks in profit. And it looks like they have a stop strategy here. After 3 profit target gets hit, so basically after the first profit target gets hit, it looks like your stop is moved up to break even -1. So I'll look at doing that manual. Nah, go ahead and set it up here. Just messed that up here. Let's go ahead and set this back up. I guess the stop strategy has to be set up in here. Yep. Alright, let's go ahead and do this again. Stop loss is going to be 5 for each of them. It's going to be 3 here.
Crude is pulling back. Alright, let's see now if crude will move down.
you can see, same thing that they have here. 3, -1.
Yes, it's still going lower.
Let me make sure that's saved. Alright, so that looks good. So when we take a trade, that'll happen automatically. Alright, now let's go ahead and check on the, what's the next one here? We'll do the CL next. Alright, 10 tick initial stop. One contract is closed at 5. One contract closed at 10. One contract closed at 30. So let's go ahead and set that up here now. So we're using 3 contracts. 10 tick initial stop. Alright, first target is going to be 5 ticks. Second target is going to be 10 ticks. And the last is going to be 30. And then again, we're going to set this up. So this is going to be 5 and then -2. Let's double check that.
Cruise moving right through yellow modified 15.
Alright, so the last one now should be the ES. Let me pull that up real quick. Alright. Here's the ES. We'll go ahead and get this set up properly. It's going to be 4 contracts here. And of course, you don't have to use 4. This is just one of them that they're recommending. You can use 4, or down here they have another set for 2. Alright, 6 tick initial stop. Alright, so 2 contracts are going to be closed on the first one, and then 1 and 1. Alright, first profit target is going to be +3 ticks. Next one's +4. The last one's +11. And this is going to be 3 and -1. Alright, so we should have everything set up properly here. It's only 9:13 in the morning, so hopefully we'll be able to at least maybe take one trade here. And when we do, I will come back so you guys can see what happens. Be back shortly.
It's into the value area. We're filled.
Order filled.
Alright, selling crude.
Order filled.
Let's see if this can act as some resistance here and push us back down.
A close on an up close.
Good thing about this is you can get live commentary in the trade room, so you don't have to guess about what you should be doing. As you guys just heard, if this closes as an up bar, we'll go ahead and shut this trade down.
Target filled.
Alright guys, first target got filled. Pretty sure we should be at break even -1 here.
Stop filled.
Alright, so we ended up hitting our first target. Actually, looks like we should have been at break even -2. The reason it didn't do it automatically is because I had the I was holding the stop level when the market moved down to our first target. Again, this is my initial time trading this, so I'm learning. So not a big move here. That's the thing, we're not always going to get big moves, but we'll continue to watch it and see how it goes. Alright, I'll be back with you guys momentarily.
42.32.
Alright, he just
42.32.
told everybody in the room to close the trade. Obviously, I'm out early because I moved my stop to the wrong area, but still, they closed out at 42.32.
It's just not moving. target.
Alright, it's about 10:18. We still got time to trade here. Hopefully market will give us something good that we can watch. Alright, be back shortly. Alright guys, we're gonna sell crude on a down close.
Sell crude on a down close.
Right now it looks like it could go either way. Could close up, could close down. Alright, let me pause it. I'll come back once we get entered into the trade here. This is taking longer than I thought it would to finish up.
We're filled.
Alright, we just got filled on crude here, guys. And again, I'm taking every trade exactly as they call it in the room here. Alright, I wanted to show as much as possible here, but the video is starting to push a little bit longer than I'd like it to, so I'm going to go ahead and pause it and I'll come back once one of our orders is about to get hit. Alright guys, we're getting close to our first target here. Once we hit it, if I have my ATM strategy set up properly,
Target filled.
which it
Target's
looks
out.
like I don't. So obviously I've done something wrong here, but we do know that this is going to be 2 ticks back. I'm going to have to go in and see what I did wrong here, but Either way, it's easy to do it manually, so no problems.
Alright, close on and up close. Keep going. Come on. Get down.
Two more ticks down and we'll have our second profit target. Well, came close. And remember, we close on and up close here.
Let's close at 13. Right here.
Stop
13.
filled.
Alright, so obviously something's wrong with my ATM strategy here. This part is correct, but for some reason in here, it might be that I have to come in here and name the custom. It's not enough just to do that. Maybe if I name it. Let's try that. Not sure if that's going to fix it or do anything, but all we can do is try it and see. Alright, and again folks, today is just me testing out some things, giving you guys an intro, showing you how to set things up with it. And I was able to take a few trades here. I'm going to keep monitoring things and taking trades for the rest of the day. As you can see here, they took 9 ticks, 1 tick, lost 2 ticks, and then they made a bit more earlier this morning, about 8:45 or so. I just can't get here that early. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back with you guys shortly. Hopefully we'll get another trade, or at least one trade in the ES or the ZB.
Close this trade.
Alright guys, we just got filled on our last trade of the day. Selling crude. We got the
Close the
A.
trade. 42.716. 42.16. We're out.
Stop target filled.
That's
All right.
our last trade.
Alright, so that was a really nice setup right there. We had the A, the B, and the C. And he called to close out the trade at 42.16, I believe. So we made a nice little profit there.
Because I don't want to give back any money. And we're done. And we had a very, very nice day today. We're going to go over all the trades. We ultimately wound up hitting a first target, but that's okay. We got 3 out of 4 ticks. It went through 4 to 5 and gave us a first target. So let's go through each trade one by one.
Alright guys, I just muted the room real quick. I wanted to show you something real quick here, just in case you guys had any questions on it. What you have up here are the basic indicators. These are the Rightline Trading indicators, and down here you have the QuantAnalysis Indicator. Okay, so these are 2 separate things there, and you can visit RightlineTrading.com and you can see all the details on it. But I wanted to also show you this. You can also come to RightlineTrading.com and you'll be able to see our live trading room results. You click on that and you can actually see their profit and loss on the day in the live trading room. Alright, you can also do the same thing for the auto trader, and you can also sign up for their a free trial of the trading room here. All right, let me see one thing real quick, folks. I'm already at 30 minutes here, so I'm not going to stick around for him to do the, I guess, final wrap up where he goes over the trades that they took today. I don't want this to be too long here, so we're going to go ahead and end things at 30 minutes, but at the end of the trading day, they do go over each of the trades that they took, and they answer questions and things like that. So again, if you have any questions on the system, definitely just go to Rightline Trading. If you want to get the trial, just go to Rightline Trading and click on get a free trial. All right, I'm going to continue most likely trading with this, I guess, until maybe next Friday, so you guys can get a really good idea of how this system works and whether or not it actually, what's this here? I think this is his chart. Let me see. Hold on one second, guys. Had something just pop up.
Okay.
Okay, I guess that was just him resetting his charts. Anyway, that's going to be it, guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care, folks.